Hey, one time for the one time, it is your girl Minnie and I am back at it with another flipping video. If you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload a new video, because you don't want to miss out on any of these good vibes that I have going on over here. If you are a returning viewer, I appreciate you guys for tuning in and staying tuned in with your girl. If you want details on this hair, I will link it down below, because I did do a review on this hair and I'm loving this hair. This hair is like my favorite hair to pull out of the bag, you feel me? So today I'm doing a BOXYCHARM. I'm guessing this is the box for November. This is my second BOXYCHARM. I'm gonna give you the details, how I feel about it, if I think it's worth it. Do I think it's worth it? I'm not sure yet. I'm still not sold on it completely. I need a couple more boxes to be like, BOXYCHARM is it, sis. Like, you can get everything with BOXYCHARM. But yeah, if you want to see what was in the BOXYCHARM, how I did this makeup look with the BOXYCHARM, the stuff that was inside the BOXYCHARM, then let's get into this video. These are inside. So this is how it looks. BOXYCHARM Candy Shop. Save the date. Enjoy exclusive members only discount in our online pop-out. Start your holiday shopping when all access opens November 10th. Oh, so they're having candy? Okay. I'm just gonna go in order of the stock card. And the first one is a Beauty Bakerie / Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette. Beauty Bakerie's Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette is a delightful morning melody of saturated mattes and shimmering shadows. This palette is perfect for the classic office to happy hour transitional touch-up. Happy hour. And this was $38. Oh, this is too cute. The packaging is too cute. Hold on, can you see the packaging? This is my first Beauty Bakerie item. I've always wanted to try Beauty Bakerie and never did. Oh, this is cute. It's like a plum palette. Can you see the plum? The names are too cute. Yawning, Forehead Kiss, Pajamas, French Doors, Boo in the View, Messy Hair, Fresh Face, Cuddle Cakes, Lazy Baby. Alright, so this is Pajamas, Forehead Kiss, and Yawning. See the shades? I was hoping to get a palette, which I did. I said that in the last video, but I like palettes. I would like them to give me palettes more frequently, because palettes, I be you know, seeing visions with palettes. But anyway, the next one is a Luxie Wanderlust set. Create eye-catching looks with 5-piece rose gold synthetic brush set. This versatile collection includes a tapered shading brush, blending brushes, medium angle brush, larger shader brush, plus a brow and lash brush. Stash them in your Luxie pouch for glam on the go. And this was $40. $40 for these brushes? But this is the pouch right here. Okay. I love the color of these brushes. So maybe I'll use these brushes today. They're very soft. And yeah, I don't know about this brush. Like, this probably didn't need to be in here because it's just a eyebrow brush, but whatever. But that's that 5-piece set. The next one is a Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Concealer. This multitasking full coverage concealer has a lightweight, easy to blend formula. It conceals dark under eye circles, blemishes, and other skin perfections. $24. Okay, Dose of Colors. This is my first time having anything Dose of Colors, so let's see. Ooh, she looking a little light. I'm gonna try it out today, but I don't know. She might be too light. If you can see. She might be a little too light for my under eye, but I'm still gonna try her out. A little too light for the under eye, but I'm still gonna try her out. She might be a little light for the under eye, but I'm still gonna try her out. Dose of Colors, Dose of Colors. Happy that I know you. Dose of Colors. Anyway, next one is Sodigiero. Let me see how to pronounce that, because I don't want to mess that up. She says Sodigiero. Wow, I'm chopping that up. It's a Brazilian Kiss tinted lip butter. A soft tinted lip treatment that pampers lips with a delicious blend of kapoo. I don't know what that is. Butter. I'm gonna just let it, you know, go across because I don't know what it's saying and I'm not even gonna try to hold you. But this is $20. But okay, it's a tinted lip butter. Oh, the packaging is cute. I'm mad I chopped that up. But this is the lipstick. Let's see. Is this a lip butter? Is it? Oh, it's tinted. It smells good. Alright, the next one is the Ace Beauty Draw It Lip Duo. The Draw It lip liners are super pigmented liners that draw on smoothly and can be used to line the lips or fill them in completely. It includes a sharpener at the base that can be used to sharpen the liner tip, and this is $16. I'm like kind of far away because when I bring the box or the item closer, the lights mess up. Oh, it's two in there. Oh, it said duo. Duh. Okay, so they have, I guess this is a red one. They have this red one right here, and then they have like this brown one. Oh, this is the sharpener. That's cute. So the only items that I've heard in here is the Beauty Bakerie and the Dose of Colors. So 38 plus 40 plus 24 plus 20 plus 16. Alright, so altogether it totals up to $138 and I paid $27 for a box. So that is a difference. They didn't give me an expensive item like last time. Like this was 100 and some change. I have only used it twice. I need to get on a regimen to use it. You know, it's kind of hard to like get up and really do your face and then at night do your face when you work, like when you have an actual job, like it's hard. But anyway, let's get into this face. So the first color that I'm gonna get into is Yawning, which is this nice purple shade, plummy shade right here. And put that on the outer bit. This is a nice fluffy brush. Then with the same brush, I'm gonna go into Forehead Kisses, which is this shade right here. And put that in the inner parts. Oh, I'm not even turning to y'all. This palette smells OD good. This brush is so soft. It feels like I don't even have anything in my hand. It feels like I'm not even doing anything. Going back in with that Yawning to make sure they're blended. You feel me? This is pretty. Ooh. And then, since I have that, I'm gonna go into French Doors, I think. Oh no, that's kind of white. The Cuddle Cakes are white? No. Fresh Face? Probably Fresh Face. Fresh Face, which is this color right here. And put that all on the lid. Oh, this is the Luna Magic. This is the brush they gave me last time. Put that all on the lid. I'm gonna go back in with Forehead Kiss, you know, because I feel like it faded a little bit. This is a nice soft, you know, glam. I think I want to put that French Doors, which is this, like in the middle of this. Put my eyeliner on. Of course, I'm gonna have to clean that up, but then I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild MEGALINER. This like makes it, I guess, extra shiny. See what I'm saying? Ooh la la. I could just go outside like that. They were like, where's the rest of your face? I'm like back at home where it should be. All you need is the eyes, sis. All you need is the eyes. Oh, but I do need lashes, so I can't go outside like this. I would definitely need lashes to complete the eye look and do the mascara and shit and just go outside like that. And that's all you're gonna get. I'm just giving you eyes. That's all I'm giving you. That's all you get for today. No. So let me just start my face and then I'll be right back. I'm gonna use the Dose of Colors, which may be a little light, but we'll see. I got my FENTY. Might be too light. Oh, not that light. Okay. Ooh, yes, honey. Okay. Yeah, I like that. I like that. Okay, Dose of Colors. So then I'm gonna go to Yawning and put that underneath the waterline. I forgot my chin. Let me use my Fenty Beauty once again. So I'm gonna use my Soft Focus Jouet in the shade Medium and dust off this. Putting black on the waterline. My Maybelline SNAPSCARA. So being that she did not claim her prize, it's been a week. I might have to pick another winner because that means you're not checking for me, sis. No. I'm gonna delete her name. All right, so I'm gonna do the raffle again. Yes, we want to screen record it because we need proof. As you see, the names is going by and her name is not in there. So let me just start this raffle so the winner can be Evelyn and Mario. Evelyn Amario. Congratulations to you, Evelyn, for winning the shades. You got 24 hours or I will pick another winner. And I'm just going to name somebody because y'all not claiming your prize. But congratulations, Evelyn Amario. So that is the finished makeup look using whatever was in my BOXYCHARM. So if you like this video, please give this video a big fat thumbs up. And until next time, peace.